The way that the revisions extended plugin works is that if you have it enabled, so we're looking at learn.wordpress.org and we see that it's enabled, one of the things that you'll note is that in this top right corner, you'll see an update button with a down pointing arrow beside it that indicates that that's part of the revision plugin process. So let's pretend that this lesson plan needed to be updated. What I could do is say, this image needs to go. For the sake of the demo, I'm actually just going to hit spacebar here so that I don't actually change a real live thing that I'm not truly editing. And in the top, you'll see this down pointing arrow and it says select an option and then save for later. We could schedule what time we want this thing to be available at a later time. And I could say save the update. It's now saved and scheduled to go out on Saturday at such and such time, and I can continue updating it. So what I would like to see happen is this could actually go to a queue that we would approve whatever's in that queue, but we are part of the way there. The next step, I can't seem to close that box either. I'll file some bug reports. Is that if you look at a custom post type, a regular post type, it's going to tell you at the top, this has an update that could overwrite any changes that you make here, edit the update instead. So if you want to get back into the update version, not what's currently live, you can click on this edit update, and that takes you into the version that is scheduled for the future. And so you could see that information showing here. Let's get out of full screen mode and take a quick look at where else we see this. On the left-hand side under lesson plans, because this is a custom post type, I see updates down here below. The same would be true if we were using posts and it would show under updates there or any other custom post types that you have. So if you wanted to view all of the things that have updates available, here is the list on the left side. We see under lesson plans, I just clicked updates. And again, here's that list of all the things on this site that have a scheduled update available. Now, because I didn't have the ability to necessarily put it to someone needs to view it or review it before it goes out, it's just scheduled to go out. So there's that. I'm actually going to, you could do a compare in here, which is kind of nice, but I'm going to delete this so that I don't actively change an article that I might have inadvertently done some things with. That's the revision plugin. It's really helpful at being able to create the updates before a release happens and then batch push all those updates out. But we'll work on an audit tool as well.